Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this power adapter. So it's got a 30 amp power plug for like an RV on one side, and then we can plug this side into an extension cord. I'm going to use this to power my RV trailer while I'm at home. Now this is also a surge protector, and it has like a circuit analyzer on here. So we've got different lights that mean different things. So here we've got the two lights, and then this display here is going to tell you what those mean. When they're both green, that means power is on. If this one is on and this one's off, you got an open neutral. If this one's off, the left one's off, the right one's on, you got an open ground. If the left one is red and this one's green, you got reverse polarity. If neither one is on, you got no power. And then this light's on for surge protection, 125 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 5,000 joules. Now it does say this is not for EV charging. So let's go over overall length. Overall length is right around 17 inches. Okay, so here I've got my RV. I've got to line up the one with the, there's one with a little L shape. I got to line that up. All right, push it in and then turn it a little bit. Now, if I needed to, I could lock it. See how it turns just a little bit. Now it's installed. It's not going to come out. Now I'm going to plug my outlet into it. Okay, so I plugged this into an extension cord. The two lights are on. They're on. It's not shown in the video. All three lights are on, so it must just have something to do with how the video is being processed, but all three lights are on. Now I should be able to run my air conditioner. Yeah. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.